Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to fix this site cannot be reached error in Google Chrome. First, open the control panel on your PC. To do this, click on the search bar located on the taskbar and type in Control Panel. Then select it from the search results. Next, in the control panel, find and click on Network and Sharing Center. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage your network connections. Once you're in the Network and Sharing Center, look for the link that says Ethernet and then click on it. This will open a new window showing the status of your network connection. In the Network Status window, click on the Properties button. This will open another window where you can adjust various settings for your network connection. Here, you will see a list of items used by the connection. Look for Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. Then, select both of these options by checking the boxes next to them. Then click OK to save your changes. After making these changes, try accessing the website again in Google Chrome. This should fix the "this site cannot be reached" error. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.